Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to talk about demonstratives. This, that, these, and those. Demonstratives are words that show which person or thing is being referred to. Now, demonstratives show where an object, event, or person is in relation to the speaker. Note that they can refer to a physical or psychological closeness or distance. Now let's have a look at the example over here. This is Hugh and that is Kevin. Now the demonstrative this is referring to where Hugh is, who is physically close. And the demonstrative that is referring to where Kevin is, who is physically distant. Now, when what we are referring to is near the speaker, we use the adverb here. And when it's far from the speaker, we use there. And when the noun is singular and uncountable, we use this for when it's near the speaker, and that for when it's far from the speaker. But when the noun is plural and countable, we use these for when it's near the speaker, and those when it's far from the speaker. Remember that demonstratives can be placed before the noun or the adjective that modifies the noun. Let's have a look at the examples below. That old man stole my purse. The demonstrative that modifies the adjective old, which modifies the noun man. These oranges are delicious. These modifies oranges. Also note that demonstratives can appear before a number by itself when the noun is understood from context. Have a look at the sentence over here. I'll take this one, please. I'll take this watermelon, please. Now these sentences are both the same. In this sentence, we have watermelon, which is understood from context. So instead of saying, I'll take this watermelon, please, we can say, I'll take this one, please. One referring to watermelon. Note that demonstratives can be used by themselves when the noun they modify is understood from context. Have a look at these sentences below. Those aren't yours. Put them back. Those shoes aren't yours. Put them back. Shoes in this sentence is understood from context. And so we can use the demonstrative by itself, as in the example over here. Those aren't yours. Put them back. Now, when talking about events, the near demonstratives are often used to refer to the present, while the far demonstratives often refer to the past. Have a look at the sentences below. This situation is quite unstable. The demonstrative this is referring to a present event, situation. That event made me realize how important my family is to me. In this sentence, the demonstrative that is referring to a past event. that made me realize how important my family is to me. Hello! Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about articles. A, an, and the. Let's get started. Now, time for us to review and practice a bit. Remember that we use demonstratives to show where an object, event, or person is in relation to the speaker. Have a look at the sentence below and fill in the gaps using the appropriate demonstratives. This is Mary, and these are my parents, John and Anne. Also, remember that demonstratives are placed before the noun or the adjective that modifies the noun. Have a look at the sentence over here. Fill in the gap using the appropriate demonstrative. Can you see that red car over there? I think I've seen it somewhere else before. Note that we can place demonstratives before a number by itself when the noun is understood from context. Have a look at the sentence over here and find the noun that can be understood from context and then replace it with a number. Note to use demonstratives before a number. These earrings aren't as nice as those earrings. These two aren't as nice as those two. Also note that demonstratives can be used by themselves when the noun they modify is understood from context. Have a look at the sentence below and find the noun that the demonstrative modifies and that can be understood from context. The gossip about Pam has nothing to do with me. This has nothing to do with me. Note that when talking about events, the near demonstratives are often used to refer to the present, while the far demonstratives are often used to refer to the past. Have a look at the sentence over here and fill in the gap using the appropriate demonstrative. This job was a waste of time. I didn't get any experience. Here is a short story using demonstratives. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Good morning. How can I help you? Hi, I'm looking for a formal dress. Could you help me find one? Yes, of course. Maybe we could try this one. We got this dress only a day ago. I'm sure you'll be the only one wearing it. Honestly, I don't really like this color. Maybe you could show me that one over there? I like the print a lot. Surely. And what about the shoes? I have a picture on my phone. I want something like that. I think those ones are quite similar. You have excellent taste. Let me get those for you. Now time for you to practice on your own. Have a look at the following sentences and fill in the gaps using this or these. A. Hey, why are you scared? Pointing at a snake. B. Which bags are yours? Once. Could you help me with them? C. You are always late. It's not true. I'm right on time. D. Harry Potter? Movie is my absolute favorite. E. People are boring. I might leave the party early. F. Is Mr. Johns? No. Is Mr. Adams. Mr. Johns is over there. G. Is for me? I'm so touched. H. Tickets are so expensive. I don't know if I can afford them. I. Is unbelievable. I can't understand why they did to her. G. Are the books you asked for? Now let's check your answers. Hey, why are you scared? This. Pointing at a snake. Which bags are yours? These ones. Could you help me with them? You are always late. This is not true. I am right on time. Harry Potter? This movie is my absolute favorite. These people are boring. I might leave the party early. Is this Mr. Johns? No, this is Mr. Adams. Mr. Johns is over there. This is for me? I'm so touched. These tickets are so expensive. I don't know if I can afford them. This is unbelievable. I can't understand why they did this to her. These are the books you asked for. Thank you for watching this tutorial.